Welcome the our channel. Today we how to improve content marketing with Buffer, detailed guide step by step clearly. To improve your content marketing with Buffer, start by signing up for a Buffer account. Once you're logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Explore the publishing section to schedule your content effectively. Connect your social media accounts to Buffer for streamlined posting. Next, create a posting schedule that aligns with your audience's peak engagement times. Analyze your audience demographics to tailor your content. Begin by crafting high-quality content that resonates with your target audience. Utilize Buffer's content suggestions feature to find trending topics within your niche. After scheduling your posts, set up tracking with Buffer's analytics tools to measure performance. Monitor key metrics such as engagement rates, clicks, and shares. Use this data to identify what type of content performs best. Adjust your content strategy based on this analysis to focus on high-performing posts. Incorporate visual elements using Buffer's scheduling tools for images and videos. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages promptly. Regularly revise your content calendar to maintain fresh and relevant content. Stay updated with Buffer's new features and tools as they evolve to enhance content marketing. Lastly, collaborate with your team using Buffer's sharing options to streamline approvals and feedback. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account in payment. And if the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.